Huh?
Come on! No.
Everyone in the car must buckle up.
Okay. La 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 la.
We are ready to go.
Chubby.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh.
See what can happen?
Yes.
Always keep your seatbelt fastened in the car.
Okay.
Lunchtime!
Wow.
Oliver, let me fasten your seatbelt.
No.
But you can fall out from the chair. What's the sound? Look what can happen.
Okay.
Always buckle up. Much better.
Chubby. I'm so hungry.
Okay. Now we will play.
Yay! Let's go.
Oliver, you forgot to fasten your seatbelt.
No.
It's necessary for safety. Are you ready?
Yes.
Go!
Uh-oh.
Did you understand why you need a seatbelt?
Okay.
Good job! Come on! No! As you wish, Oliver. Let you go first.
Uh-huh.
Yeah! Woohoo! Look what can happen.
Okay. La.
Time to play video games. Come on.
Look. Yes.
Thank you, Oliver. You have learned the lesson well.
Bye.
Hello, Summer! Come on! Changing room! Come on! First try! Come on! Stop!
What?
Guys, one by one only!
Okay, sorry.
Wait! You can go! Come on! Next ride! Come on! Come on! Stop! No sharp objects inside the ball.
What? Okay.
One, Stop! No sliding upside down.
Okay. I want to eat. My best lunchbox.
Stop! No food in the pool.
Sorry.
Go to the food court. Come on.
Bon appetit.
Diana, Roma, come on. Oh, food locker. 1, 2, 3. Stop! No fighting.
It's boring.
Stop! No phone in farm.
My phone. No phone. I found it. That's my phone.
Wow! It's cool.
Blue, yellow, green, red. Blue. Wow. Oh. Yellow. Yellow car in a blue garage? No. We need to paint the car blue.
Okay, let's go. My phone.
What is this? Wow. Let's check. Let's color it.
Blue car.
Wow. Come on.
Super.
Blue. Red.
Blue car. I know what to do. Let's paint. Wow. Yeah. Now it's red.
Red. Yellow.
Blue car? No. Idea.
Okay. It's so fun.
Let's go! Yellow. Green. Red.
Red car in a green garage? Oh, let's paint the car green.
Yeah!
Hello. Washing time. Now my car is green.
Green.
Don't throw trash on the ground.
Okay, boss.
Trash needs to be sorted. Pure plastic paper. Can't use that much water. Look. You need to use glasses.
Okay, boss.
Let's draw. Oh no! What? Don't use too much paper. Look. See? What is enough? Okay. Stop! What are you doing? I'm playing. You ruined this tree! Look! I'm sorry. Maybe the missing letters are here? Diana, what are you doing? Popping it. It's fun. Try it. Okay. So fun. Yoo-hoo. Love it. Come on. Last one. Lost letters. Yay! La 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 la. It's easy. A B C. What's next? Wow! Yellow. Let's spread out and find letters. Okay, I need to find it. Not here. No. Interesting. Where is the letter? Maybe the letter is here? Open, open. Meow. Kiki. Flesha, what are you doing here? What? Whoa. I'll go. I need to keep searching. Something inside. Great job. Let's go. D E. I like it. F G H. Next step. Maybe there are letters inside. Maybe. Yes! Let's find the letter. Let's go, Roma. I found something.
Yum, yum.
Let's try again.
Yum, yum.
Yay! Cool. Need to search more. We need to hurry. I think there's no letters in here. Oliver? Hello. Oliver, you found the letter. Great job. Super. Oliver, you're correct. Yay. J K L M. That's better. Maybe the letters are inside the balls. Wow, I love balloons. Let's pop it. Yes! Last one. Finish. Wow, nice. Missing letters. Let's go. O. Correct. And yes. P. Oh, Oliver, you're right. Q. Run. Wow. Look. Can we take the letters?
No!
But why?
It's my letters, only mine.
Great idea. How do we take the letters?
Hello!
Let's use this! Great idea! Go, go, go! Yes! La 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 la. R S T U V. Super! Wow! Hello. Hi. Have you seen my letters? I saw, but first, help collect my rings. Okay, let's go. Finish. No. Ah. So fun. It was cool. Thank you. Yay! Thank you. W X Y. Last one. Z. We did it! This was fun. Yay! Oliver, did you brush your teeth today? Huh? No. Do you know what can happen if you don't take care of your teeth? Let me tell you, there can be bad bacteria in your mouth. Oh no, so dirty teeth. Let's brush teeth. Bye bye. These tooths fell out because of a germ. Let's begin. Anesthetic spray. Bye-bye. If the food is stuck in your teeth, it can make problems. To take this out, you need dental floss. Ready! Yay! Oh. A piece of tooth fell out because of microbes. Let's fix it. Let's glue them back. Look! Okay! There's a hole in the teeth because of the bad bacteria. Let's fill the tooth. Good! Bye!
Now you understand why you need to brush your teeth.
Yes!
Let's go.
Okay.
La 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 la.
No!
Good job.
Our vision must protect it. Roma? What? You can't watch TV that close. I know what to do. Popcorn. Popcorn. No, 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 no. La 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 la. Berries are a lot better.
Yum 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 yum.
Berries are very good for your vision. Okay. What? You need to wear the glasses from the sun.
Thank you. going to check my vision. Thank you, Diana. You're welcome. Guys, are you caring about your eyes?
Oh no! Oliver, what have you done? Lunchtime! Lunchtime! Roma! Huh? Oh no! Roma, where are you? Diana? Oliver? Peekaboo? Lego monster! No! No, it's me!
Okay.
I am not a monster. I'm your mommy.
Mommy, we will help you.
Red, purple, pink, red. Oh, thank you, boys. Roma, let's go clean up your mess.
Okay. Last one.
Much better. Where's my glitter eyeshadow? Here it is. Blue. Diana, have you done your homework? Diana. Oopsie. Huh? Oh no. I will help you.
Come on.
Thank you, Diana. Now I will clean everything.
La 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 la. Wow. Bye bye.
Pizza is ready, Oliver. Oliver. Oh no. Again? Oliver, help me to put it off.
Okay.
Oh.
Thank you.
Oliver, you need to keep your playground clean after playing.
Okay.
Oliver, Oliver, watch out! Wow! Oliver, let's find out which object sink and which float.
Yoga!
Oh, let's collect.
Yeah, yahoo!
Come on, Oliver. Come on.
Wow! Chupi!
Good job. Let's check. Will the cars sink or float?
Sink!
Let's start.
Yahoo!
Oliver, you are right. Sink.
Yeah!
Watermelon. Look,
Oh!
floating. Come on, come on. So heavy.
Food!
Yay! Will big toy truck sink?
No!
It's floating. Oliver, how do you sink? Will the ball sink or float?
Food!
Let's try. Yes! Plastic table. Float. Toy blocks.
Wow!
It's dumbbells. So fast.
Wow!
Sink. Let's put this house into the water.
Okay, mommy. Sink! Wow!
Thank you. Yay! Oliver, egg surprise.
Oh!
Let's take it.
Let's go!
Will the giant chocolate egg sink or float?
Sink!
No? Kinder surprise is float. This is ice. Will it sink or float?
Foot!
We will check. Yes.
Ah! Chupi!
Float. Car tires.
Yahoo!
Drawing. Floating.
Agree! Monkey! Cardboard!
Let's check it out. I think the airplane will float.
Sink!
Wow. Float.
Foot!
Let's check Play-Doh. Float.
Wow!
Water balloons. So beautiful. Floating.
Ducks?
Oliver,
What?
it is dangerous for a child to play near sockets. Need to use this one. Look. That's better.
Wow!
Don't worry, I'm fine. We need a not slippery socks. Like this one.
Shopping!
The floor in the house should not to be slippery.
Yeah.
Come on.
Ага.
Lunchtime. Yummy, yummy. What are you doing here? Children shouldn't have an access to drawers.
Oops. No, no, no. Aha!
Yay!
Wow!
Oliver, Oliver! Stairs! Dangerous for children.
Okay, mommy.
This should be help. Let's start. Oopsie! Oliver, could you bring Adam toys, please?
Okay. Huh?
Oliver, table corners should be covered.
Yes, yes.
Yay! Adam,
Wow.
Ouch!
oh no. No. Children should not close all the doors. They can feel us on their fingers.
Cheek.
Ouch!
Time to sleep.
No.
Oliver can fall out of the bed.
Huh?
Much better. Let's go to sleep.
Oh no! Oops. Oliver needs a potty.
Great idea.
Oliver, here's the potty. You know what to do. Oops. Idea. Hello. Let's go. Oliver, this is a party, not a flower pot. What?
Oliver, this all for you. You know what to do.
Yay!
You can choose any potty you want. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Idea.
Uh-oh.
Oliver, potty is not a toy.
Huh?
We need plan B.
Okay.
Oliver, look what I have for you. I think you know what to do.
Yes. Idea.
What? Help me! Help!
Oh no! Oliver, Potty is not a car.
Let's go!
Oliver, here is your Potty. Idea. Look.
Huh? Whoa.
Do you understand what to do?
Yeah!
Come, come.
Yes.
Great job. Oliver, let's give your diapers to Adam. You are not a baby anymore.
Yes. La 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 la.
Oliver?
Bye-bye. Great job.
Welcome.
Daddy, Daddy, this is our room.
Yes. Wow.
Diana, Roma, stop! Shh, you need to be quiet in the hotel.
Okay. La 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 la. What is that?
What?
You can't litter in the hotel.
Okay.
Stop! No jumping on the bed in the hotel.
Okay. Phone for you. Hello?
Diana, no need to play this food in the hotel. No.
Stop!
Roma, don't use flash when taking photo.
Animals and fish don't like it. Of course.
Animals in the hotel?
Fish toys. Wow, fruit.
Roma, Diana,
That's a big
you can't do that.
Sorry.
I need to check. Stay here.
Nice.
Don't forget your stuff. Bye bye.
Oliver, do you want to travel?
Yes.
Let's go.
Hello.
Meow. Go.
Hieroglyphs. We are in Egypt. What is this? We need a key. Maybe it's here? The key!
Wow. Oh. Go.
Sand is gold. We found the treasure, Oliver. Pizza! Venetian masks, bread.
Wow.
Oliver, do you know this country?
Italy.
We are in Italy.
Yay. Pizza.
No pizza?
A fun pizza.
Let's cook it. First, let's throw out the dough. Cooking is so fun.
Yeah.
Tomato sauce. Good job. Cheese.
Say yummy.
Huh? What? Oliver?
Oops.
Perfecto.
Yes.
Oven, please.
Oh.
Pizza is baked in a traditional oven. Now, let's bake.
Okay.
Pizza is ready. Bon appetit. Let's try it, Oliver.
Okay.
Thank you. So yummy. Ooh, banana. Snake. Oliver, we are in Brazil. Let's make marshmallow barbecue. Yay!
Chubby. Yummy, yummy.
Ho, 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 ho.
Santa! Hello!
Hello.
Where is Oliver?
I don't know. Oliver!
We are in Lapland.
Oh.
It's so cold here.
Wait a second.
Okay.
Surprise!
Catch.
Yeah! Uh-huh!
А где?
Oliver, where are you going?
Okay, okay. You want present?
Yes.
Okay!
Here is your gift, Oliver. Oops.
What should we do?
Idea!
Use this. This is for you. I think you need hot water.
Вау! Ще гусята.
My pleasure. Bye bye.
Вау!
Hello!
Oliver, look at us! Hola amigos, we are in Mexico! What a cute cactus! Oh, whoa, chili pepper! Me gustas! Oliver, let's check what's inside. Try it on.
Come on, let's go.
The skull. Oliver, let's paint it.
Yay!
What color you want?
Blue.
Okay. I will choose violet. Wow! Well done, Oliver.
Wow!
What country is it?
China.
China. Am I a panda?
Hello.
Let's dance. Woo! I'm mommy again. Oliver, are you hungry? Noodles are traditional Chinese food.